Hello friends. This week's activity is to continue to develop our multiplication skills, and it has a little bit of an extension. So the first time you play the game, you're going to roll one dice. So let's say I roll my dice and I roll a 5. That means I'm going to have 5 cookies. Then I roll my dice a second time and I rolled a 3. So that means I'm going to put 3 chocolate chips in each cookie. So the question is, what's 5 times 3, or 5 groups of 3? So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So we know 5 groups of 3 is 15, or 3 groups of 5 is also 15. So once we do it, we're going to write down the equation and its solution. Now, you have a total of 12 cookies to work with, and I'm going to show you why you have the 12 cookies. So first I would just roll one die. So let's try a second time. So we rolled one die. I rolled a 4. Then I rolled a 5. So I'm going to use 4 cookies. But I'm going to have 5 chips on each cookie. So then we know that 4 times 5 equals 20. So we'd write down the equation, 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay? Now we're going to show you the extension part. So again, you have the 12 cookies already on the sheet for you. And now what's going to happen is you're going to roll the dice twice. So I rolled a 5 and then I rolled a 2. So we know 5 plus 2 is 7, so I'm going to do 7 cookies. Okay? Now I rolled a 3, the first roll. Then I rolled a 5, the second roll. So that's a total of 8. So I'm going to have 8 chips on each cookie. So now I know that I have 8 chips on 7 cookies, so I'm counting by 8s. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So bring that and that together, that gives me 16. 8 plus 8 is here is 16. 8 plus 8 is here is 16, plus another 8. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus another 6 is 18, plus 8 is 26. So I know when I add them all up, I come to find out that my 7 cookies with 8 chips, so 7 groups of 8, has a value of 56. That also means that 8 groups of 7, so you could have 8 cookies with 7 chips, that also has an answer of 56. So that's what we're going to be working on with the chocolate chip multiplication. We're going to first start, just roll one dice. As you're comfortable rolling one dice and then rolling one dice again, then we're going to add where we do the 2 dice, so we can add in, or I should say add in, we can include larger values. Enjoy!